What's up guys, welcome to the channel again. Okay. This video will be totally about the motor and the diff of the yellow Corvette from the previous episodes. Not about this red one from my son. That's for another project in the future. So, relax and enjoy the progress. These first photos will give you some impressions of how the motor compartment was looking like. Here the disassembling of the motor had already begun. I don't have a lot of photos because this is a work that I couldn't do myself. And a good friend of mine helped me out with that because he's a specialist in that field. The motor was still in a good condition. The compression was okay, and after manually grinding and forming of the valves, the specs were back to the factory norms. The timing chain or distribution chain was renewed. I got a new camshaft with specs for better performance and cleaner combustion, as well as a new carburetor for better specs, both for performance and environment. The complete block got cleaned from every dirt, and it really looked like coming straight from the factory. I got also a new intake manifold and new headers. Then the complete block got painted and mounted back into the vet. He really did a hell of a job, and this is a huge shout out to my friend. Then there was the diff. It got new bearings and a good cleaning job. The small drive shafts got cleaned and painted also, and universal joints or cross joints were replaced. After that it was painted, and the annoying grinding sound in the rear was gone. The main drive shaft also got cleaned and painted and replaced with new cross joints. The new exhaust and the steering rebuild is for another video. In the outro video you will see how good it drives now. This is again a wrap for this video guys. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing And if you have any questions, please do it in the comment sections below. And I will see you very soon.